Hey, my name is Tino Spate. I'm from the United States. I am an adventure photographer that travels the world shooting all sorts of extreme sports, especially whitewater kayaking. So I need to be using high quality gear that keeps me safe and dry in these locations, and I trust Level 6 for that. What I think is so great about Level 6 is sort of a combination of a few different factors that boil down to the perfect recipe. First, they have great management and great leadership and a vision of where they're going. You can trust the head guys in the company to be moving the direction that a company in this market should be moving. The second factor, second ingredient in the recipe is that they go searching for good materials and good waterproofing, good stitching. That really matters because after 5 years, your dry suit's still holding up. Instead of it being a 2-year dry suit or a 1-year dry suit, you've got something that will last you until the styles change and you want to switch out to a new style. I still have my old dry suit from 5 years ago. It's still dry. I'm using it a lot. The third factor that I would mention is that they've always done really well with hiring good designers and bringing good in-house designers to piece together how they wanted their gear and do it in-house, all in one building. They seem to pay attention to the details, not just the technical details, but having style and having gear that looks good and also works at the highest end of the sports that we do. When you put all those three things, the leadership, the gear and materials they use, and the design, you're talking about a powerful company that can push the sport forward and take it where it needs to go. That makes me proud to be using this gear and proud to work with these guys, and I'm excited to see what the future holds.